विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1, 2.2 सॉल्व केलात. आज आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2 सॉल्व करणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सम क्वेश्चन्स अँड देअर अल्टरनेटिव्ह आन्सर्स आर गिवन, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह. या टाईपचा जो क्वेश्चन असतो आपल्याला क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A 4 मार्क्ससाठी विचारला जातो. त्या ठिकाणी फक्त आपल्याला समजा हा क्वेश्चन विचारला असेल त्याचं जे आन्सर असेल फक्त आपण ऑप्शन समजा बी असेल तर ऑप्शन बी असंच आन्सर लिहिणार. आपण प्रत्यक्षात बघूया. फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन, आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विच इज द पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. आपण फर्स्ट ऑप्शन साठी बघूया ते आहे का. पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट आपण कसं आयडेंटिफाय करतो. पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेटमध्ये 3 नंबर्स असतात. आपण ग्रेटर नंबर 10 त्याचं स्क्वेअर करणार आहोत. 10 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 100 अँड सम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ रिमेनिंग 2 नंबर्स. 1 स्क्वेअर 1, 5 स्क्वेअर 25 म्हणजे ॲडिशन 1 आणि 25 26 मीन्स 10 स्क्वेअर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वेअर प्लस 5 स्क्वेअर. देअरफॉर दिस इज नॉट पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. फॉर बी बघूया आपण. ग्रेटर नंबर बिगेस्ट नंबर 5 स्क्वेअर 25. रिमेनिंग 2 नंबर्स 3 and 4. 3 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 9. 4 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 16. 3 स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 स्क्वेअर मीन्स 9 plus 16. This is equal to 25. Here 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square means this is a Pythagorean triplet. Means answer of the first is this B. You write answer only option B. 2. In a right angle triangle, if sum of the squares of the sides making right angle is 169, then what is the length of the hypotenuse? For this example, you draw the right angle triangle in this way, and you know Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the side making right angles or sum of the squares of the remaining 2 sides. This is given 169, sum of the squares of the sides making right angle. Now hypotenuse square is equal to 169. Taking square root on both sides, hypotenuse square, if you take a square root, you write hypotenuse, this is equal to square root of 169. Taking square root, on both sides. Therefore, square root of 169 is 13. The answer is B. Third sub question, out of the dates given below, which date constitutes a Pythagorean triplet? आपण जसा फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन बघितला तसंच या ठिकाणी करायचं आहे. समजा ऑप्शन ए आपण चेक करूया. 15, 8, 17. ग्रेटर नंबर 17 त्याचा स्क्वेअर केला. 17 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 289. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. रिमेनिंग 2 नंबर्स 15 and 8. स्क्वेअर ऑफ द 15 प्लस स्क्वेअर ऑफ द 8 is equal to 15 square 225 plus 8 square 64. Addition 289. Equation 2. Here 1 and 2 equal 289 289. Hence you write 17 square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. Means by the definition of Pythagorean triplet, 15, 8, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Hence the option A is the answer. For fourth sub question, if ABC are sides of a triangle and A square plus B square is equal to C square, name the type of triangle. You study about the converse of Pythagoras theorem, in which in a triangle the square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of remaining 2 sides. Here ABC are the 3 sides. Square of one side means this C square. This is equal to sum of the squares of remaining 2 sides, A square plus B square. Means by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, this triangle is means side ABC are sides of a triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle. Fifth, find perimeter of a square if its diagonal is 10 root 2 centimeter. Here diagonal of a square is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. This is given. And side of a square formula, diagonal upon root 2. You substitute the value diagonal 10 root 2 upon this root 2. Root 2 cancel. Means side of a square is equal to 10 centimeter. And the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. This is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore answer is 40 centimeter, means the option D. Now sub question number 6. Altitude on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle divides it in two parts of lengths 4 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the length of the altitude. For this sub question, you draw the right angle triangle. Let triangle ABC is right angle triangle. B is 90 degree. You draw the perpendicular on hypotenuse, means BD perpendicular to AC. Here AD 4 centimeter, DC 9 centimeter. This is given. To find length of altitude, means you find the BD. In triangle ABC, angle be 90 degree, BD perpendicular to AC. By geometric mean, here BD is a geometric mean of AD and DC. By theorem of geometric mean, BD square is equal to AD into DC. Hence you write in this way, BD square is equal to AD into DC. By geometric mean, this is equal to AD 4, DC 9, 4 into 9 you write here. Now taking square root, here BD square given, hence you write BD by taking square root. This is equal to 4, its square root is 2, 9, its square root is 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6, means BD is equal to 6. Therefore answer is 6 centimeter. BD is equal to 6. Here where is the BD? Option C. Answer is 6 centimeter. Option C. 7th, height and base of right angle triangle are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of its hypotenuse. For this example, you draw the triangle PQR, in which angle Q 90 degree, means I draw the right angle triangle PQR. Height, PQ height 24 centimeter, QR base 18 centimeter. This is given. By Pythagoras theorem, you know the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, means PQ square plus QR square. Therefore I write here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Substitute the values, PQ 24 square, PQ square 24 square plus QR square 18 square, square of 24 576 plus square of 18 324. This is equal to 900. Therefore PR square is equal to 900. By taking square root, PR square its square root PR, this is equal to square root of 900. This is a 30. Means the answer is 30 centimeters. Hypotenuse PR is 30 centimeter. Therefore option B 30 centimeter. Last sub question. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find measure of angle A. For this example, I draw the triangle ABC. Here AB 6 root 3 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, AC 12 centimeter. I write this given. Now, if you observe the length of BC and AC, this BC is half of AC. Hence I write in this way, 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 12, means BC is equal to 1 upon 2 into AC. Similarly here 6 root 3, you also write this, root 3 by 2 into 12, means AB is equal to root 3 by 2 into AC. You study about the converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Here opposite angle of side BC, this BC side, its opposite angle is A. Opposite angle of side BC is equal to angle A. Therefore this angle A is equal to 30 degree, means side opposite to 30 degree is half of the BC. This 30 degree, its opposite side BC is a half of the hypotenuse. Hence the answer is 30 degree. Option A, measure of angle A 30 degree. Thank you.